Hey there, I'm Jason Holmes with Doris Duke Gardens, and I'm here today to answer a question I've been getting a lot of questions about here lately, and that is a basic leaf gall on camellias. And you'll primarily see this during the spring season right now, and you can see right there how these big leaf galls are. That's called Exobasidium, fungal gall. And it really comes a lot of times when we have a wet spring. You can see it there. It's really this swollen mass on the leaves and just really kind of like this disformity and some of the little mold spores on my finger there. But essentially this isn't anything that's going to kill the plant. In fact, this is something that we just go in and typically pick off. You can see here as we just go in and just pick it off or prune it off, just gently removing them. And at the end of the day, we'll just take these and toss them into our compost or just throw them away. And essentially that does a big cleanup on the plant. Now there are fungicides that you could spray in theory, but it's really not worth taking those extra steps. This will be gone by the time the heat of summer comes along, and your plants will look back to normal. In fact, a lot of times you can just leave those masses on there and they'll dry out themselves and eventually fall off the plant. Now it does unfortunately mean it could be back next year, but again, it's just an unsightly feature on your plant and not going to hurt the plant whatsoever. So hope that answers some of your questions, and thanks for tuning in.